Warning: the National Chemical Handling Association has issued a nuclear chemical spill warning. This is a serious issue and you need to take immediate shelter as you could possibly be exposed to nuclear radiation and you could possibly die. You are in life-threatening danger and you need to take safety precautions. You must evacuate your area and decontaminate yourself, such as taking off anything that the radiation has touched, evacuate to an area that is far from the radiation or the radioactive area in general. You are in real danger and need to take immediate action to protect yourself. This message is from the Nuclear Chemical Handling District. It is not safe to return home, but we were able to contain most of the nuclear waste and chemicals that have gotten out. We are working hard for your safety and health. When the next message comes along, it is the message to determine if it is safe to return to regular life activity. We will let you know when it is safe to come out. Stay safe. For your safety, your home, and your life. This message is brought to you by the Nuclear Chemical Handling District. It is safe to return home and to continue ordinary life activities. Thank you for cooperating and making sure your family is safe. For your safety, your home, and your life. Have a good day, everyone. And once again, thank you.